I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing a technique exercise that involves cramp rolls, paradiddles and shuffle diddles. I do apologize for the sound of my voice. I'm a little sick today, but it's the only day I could film, so I'm excited to. But cramp rolls, paradiddles, and what I call shuffle diddles or like shuffle step heels. So we're going to have a lot of fun. Let's go ahead and get started. I would say that this is a good intermediate level, but it can go all levels depending on the tempo. Also, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, do the thing. All right, so it starts with cramp roll, ball, change. So E and a 1 and 2. So we're starting before the 1. So it'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. E and a 1 and 2. So right cramp roll. So rhythmically, E and a 1 and 2. Then we go paradiddle, ball, change, and a 3E and 4. So let's try that together. Cramp, roll, ball, change, paradiddle, ball, change. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, and a 3E and 4. Good. Then we do it on the left foot. Cramp, roll, ball, change, paradiddle, ball, change. 5, left, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Let's try right and then left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, and a 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So that's the first part. There are 4 parts. The second part, you reverse the cramp roll. So dig, dig, toe, toe, ball change. And then we do a shuffle step heel ball change. Same rhythm, same idea. But we're going to take the cramp roll and reverse it. And instead of paradiddle, we're doing shuffle step heel. So it'll go and 1 and 2. So that's dig, dig, toe, toe, ball change. And then shuffle step heel ball change. Then we would do it on the left. Dig, dig, toe, toe, ball, change, shuffle, step, heel, ball, change. E and a 1 and 2 and a 3E and 4. So let's try that right and left, reverse and shuffle. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. E and a 1 and 2 and a 3E and 4. E and a 5 and 6 and a 7 and 8. Good. Okay, so that's part 1 and part 2. Let's try those together, and then I will add part 3 and 4. So part 1, cramp roll, ball change with paradiddle. Part 2, reverse cramp roll with shuffle diddle. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. And 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. And 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. Okay. Parts 3 and 4. You flipped like some of it. So we go back to regular cramp roll, and this time we do it with a shuffle. So we did a cramp roll with a paradiddle before. Now we're going to do the regular cramp roll with a shuffle diddle this time. And then for part 4, same thing, flip it. We have the reverse cramp roll, the dig, dig, toe, toe, and this time we do it with a paradiddle. So this is as much a brain teaser as it is like an exercise for your feet. So I love doing stuff like this with my classes. If you're a dance teacher, this is a great one to get this warm and these. So this second part, we have cramp roll, shuffle step heel ball change. So on the left, we go 5, 6, 7, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then for part 4, reverse cramp roll, paradiddle. So on the left, we're going to go 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7. So it's a paradiddle that time. So we got to keep this straight. The first time is cramp roll and paradiddle. Second time is reverse cramp roll, shuffle diddle. Then it's cramp roll, shuffle diddle, reverse cramp roll, paradiddle. Can we try it? Let's try it. Right, left, every single one. Then we'll try it with music. Ready? 5. Sorry. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Left. 1, 2, And that's the whole thing. Keeping it straight is the hardest part. Absolute hardest part. I'm having trouble. If I didn't have this in front of me, like it written out in front of me, I would have been a mess. So I love the challenge. Absolutely love the challenge. So let's try it with music and see how it goes. So rhythm, you've got da 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 da. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Just for funsies, let's do it one more time. We got this. Just to make sure we got it, let's have some fun. 5, 6, super excited to bring this to my class this week. They're gonna love it. They're also gonna get mind blown a little bit with how hard it is to keep it straight, but that's the fun of it. I absolutely love it. I hope you had a lot of fun learning this with me today. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this, choreography tutorials, step tutorials, vlogs, challenges, anything you could want. It's all free TAP class. And it's all for you, so please subscribe. Also hit that thumbs up so that YouTube knows people like tap dance, because we want YouTube to know that. And yeah, so after you subscribe and hit the thumbs up, I guess all that's left is thank you for dancing with me.